Hello viewers, we are Group 9 and our project name is PlanMyTrip. The group members are Diksha Saxena, Anushka Kanse, Kanchi Singhal, Aditi Jain, Shivani Desai. Here is our project introduction video. Before starting, we would like to thank our instructor Saurabh Tiwari for his guidance throughout the project, which helped us to understand course objective, purpose of this video, which is as follows. Proceeding to our functional requirements, our first functional requirements from customer point of view is functional requirement first, register users, login user. In our portal, the registration and login of the customer is not compulsory to book any service, but the customer can register and log in to avail special offers, discounts and to get information about latest holiday packages. Functional requirement second, booking traveling tickets. Booking traveling tickets of train, air and bus. In this, the user will be asked to enter date of journey, boarding city and destination. If there is availability, the customer will be allotted those number of seats and will receive the details on mail. In booking bus tickets and air tickets, we have number of agencies tied up with us, so the customer can choose any travel agency and the same procedure take place. Functional requirement third is reserving hotel rooms. Customer can select the destination where they want to stay, the check-in date and the check-out date, the type of room and the number of rooms. According to the requirements, the customer will be provided a list of hotels with their prices. The customer can choose and book the hotel as per his need. Functional requirement 4, booking cabs and guide. This functionality is only applicable if customer selects book package functionality. The user can fill all the details like what kind of cab he or she needs, when and where. The customer can also apply for guide service if he wants to go to various local places. If the cab and guide facility is available as per the customer requirement, the customer can book the service. The guide facility cannot exist independently. One can book a guide only if he has booked a cab. Functional requirement 5th, provide user with an feedback and comment interface. If user want to give any feedback or wants to comment regarding the service provided by the website, he or she can always turn up to this window. But the user can only give the feedback if and only if the customer has taken at least one service from the website. Further will be explained by Shivani Desai.
Shivani Desai now will be explaining further 5 functional requirements. Fifth functional requirements is selecting default packages. In this functionality, all the customers need to do is register themselves for the package and will have to reach the boarding point on the given date and time. Sixth functionality is designing personal packages. Under this functionality, we are providing the customer to independently design their own packages according to their budget for the trip. Customer will ask for the mean of travel he or she wants to use to reach his or her destination. He or she will be asked to select name of the location he wants to visit and the number of days he wants to spend on the location. Further, he or she will be asked if their wants any cab and guide. Simultaneously, a budget matters will be displayed on the website on each selection of his or her transport medium. Hotels or cab, it will increase, will decrease that amount from the his or her budget. Under this functionality, the customer can alter their package anytime applicable cancellation charges will be applied. Besides this, our portal also facilitates service provider registering through which they are manage their profile and contract. The service provider which can be registered are as follows. There are three agencies like travel agency, hotel agency and cab agency. They will be registering on our website. If they want to tie up, they have to register themselves on the website, has to provide all the details of the business and the facilities and the flexibilities they are providing to the users. Now, I would be explaining the use case. The use case interacts with the system and the users. The user can register themselves on for book tickets, hotel registering and event book or packages. If the user books the package, they will be getting facility of cab and guide. The user book takes the services and give the feedback. All the facilities use case includes booking, can be managed their own profile. The type of users are service providers which gets cab and guides. Providers are associated with cab and guide use cases. Travel agencies is associated with book tickets and hotel providers associated with reserving book hotel books. All the service providers also associated with the payment and the managed contract. Now further use case descriptions is explained by Anushka Fansa.
I am Anushka Fanse and I will be explaining the use case description for hotel booking. Here, the users can book hotel rooms as per his desired location and budget. The cancel reservation functionality allows the cancellation before a stipulated period of time with some cancellation charges applicable. The primary actor of this use case is the end user. The secondary actor is the service provider, that is, in this case, the hotels tied up with the portal. Basic flow goes as follows. The customer enters details for hotel booking like destination city, number of days, number of rooms required, etc. System finds available hotels at the selected destination. Displays the list of all the available hotels. Customer can then select his preferred hotel. System finds the rates at the hotel and calculates the total amount to be paid. Displays the total amount to the customer and then the customer may proceed for payment. Payment will be handled by the third party payment gateway. User invoking the hotel booking functionality is the precondition for this use case, and the post condition of the use case is the booking confirmation message to the user.
Hello, I am Aditi. Next we will see the activity diagram of hotel booking. The activity diagram of hotel booking has two swim lanes, customer and hotel service provider. The customer will enter hotel details and the service provider will check whether the hotels are available or not. If hotels are available, then it will display the hotel list to customer and then the customer will select any one from the list and proceed to payments. If there are no hotels available based on the customer's requirement, then the service provider will notify unavailability. Next is the sequence diagram. The customer, which is the actor, will enter details like city, check-in, check-out date, number of rooms and room type according to his or her requirement. The controller will then find hotels in the external database according to the actor's specification. The database will return a list of available hotels. Customer will then select hotel of his choice and get other information like price and service provided with the room. Then he or she will proceed to payment and then will get a booking confirmation message. Later after booking, if the customer wants to cancel the booking, he invokes cancellation. The controller will request cancellation and receive confirmation from the hotel. Customer will then get the successful cancellation message. Next is the state diagram. The controller will go from ideal state to state S1 after it gets the customer requirements. Then it will find hotels in the database and move to state S2. It will check the hotels available which fulfill the customer's requirement and move to state S3. The customer selects hotels and from state S4 will move to state S5 getting price details. Then after request booking, it will move from S5 to S6 and book hotels moving to S7. If there is cancellation, then the state will move to S8. Now the further presentation will be done by Diksha Saxena.
I am Diksha and now we will be discussing class diagram. The class customer is generalized into two classes, end user and service providers. As both are customers for our portal, we have done this generalization. Firstly, we'll view the diagram from end user's point of view. The end user can register and log in and can also manage their profile. End user interact with controller classes which provide services. These classes are book ticket management, book hotel management and book package management and book cabin guide management. All these interactions are done through terminal class. As cabin guide can only be facilitated if end user selects book package service. Composition is used to describe so. After selecting the desired services or service, the end user can move for payment, which is handled by payment class. After successful transaction, an e-receipt is generated by the object of receipt class. Once the end user has taken at least one of our service, he or she becomes eligible for giving feedback for that particular service. This is handled by feedback class. Now let's move to service providers. Like end users, all their interaction with controller classes is handled by terminal. They can register and manage their profile, log in just like end users. Moreover, they can manage their contract with portal through manage contract class. This was all about class diagram. Next is object constraint language that will be explained by Shiva.
Now, I will be further explaining OCL, that is Object Constraint Language. The first OCL is customer must have an account or else need to be registered, and the answer is as per below. Second OCL is the check-in the date should be less than checkout date while booking hotel room, and the answer is as per below. The third OCL is the service provider can renew their contract only during the last 10 days before, and the answer is as per below.
Package diagram. The package diagram divides a system into understandable subsystems. The package user is generalized into two packages, service providers and end users. The service provider package includes the class contract management. The end user package includes the following classes: login registration, manage profile and feedback. The end user package interacts with booking package. Booking package includes the class cabin guide. Booking package further includes two interfaces, that is book tickets and book hotels, and it interacts with the payment package, which includes the class receipt management.
I am Diksha and I will be explaining object design. Object design helps to understand the interaction of objects with one another in solution domain. The objects are divided into three layers: model layer, view layer and controller layer.
Hotel booking information, hotel list and booked hotel are on view layer and together constitute a terminal. Hotel manager is on controller layer and util class and hotel DAO are on model layer. First, customer fills the JSP form and submits it. The object of hotel booking information class is instantiated and it sends that to controller class. Controller class obtains connections with util class through con variable. After connection is established, hotel manager object queries the hotel data access object with list of desired hotels. The selected hotel and room is sent by hotel list class to controller and same process of connection is repeated. After establishing the connection, the hotel DAO class is updated and notification is sent to book hotel class through hotel manager. This completes our video. Thank you.